Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto.
Compared to what we saw in the video yesterday, Bitcoin's price action dipped again near the yellow horizontal line at 103.4K, forming a classic W pattern right above key support. This pattern can be interpreted in a few ways. A conservative reading gives us a minimum move target by measuring the distance between the two lows and the intermediate high. But more aggressive traders would target double that move, projecting higher upside potential if momentum continues. The neckline of this formation sits at 105.3K. If Bitcoin decisively breaks above that level, a potential trade setup would be to enter at the neckline with profit targets around 107.2K and 109K. That 109K level also marks the peak of a mirrored extension from the W structure. Now here's where it gets exciting. If we reach 109K, we're looking at nearly 700 million in short liquidation leverage being triggered. This massive cluster is clearly visible on the one-week liquidation heat map, glowing like crazy. But there is a catch. Below us around 103K, there is another major hot cluster of long leverage worth around 620 million. It's technically closer to the current price action than the upside zone, but when you consider momentum, structure, and broader trend context, I believe the upside scenario is more likely to play out. After all, we are still in a bull run. Adding to this bullish case, we can spot divergence forming on the 1-hour time frame. Momentum is rising and the MACD has crossed bullish again. That alone gives us a strong short-term push setup. And now let's address the dump from yesterday. Brutal, right? But while retail was panic selling due to geopolitical headlines, let's see what the ETF participants were doing. Looking at the Bitcoin ETF overview, we can see BlackRock's IBIT alone pulled in inflows of 639.2 million. That's right. While fear was spreading across social media, institutional clients were accumulating aggressively. It's a classic case of smart money buying when retail is fearful. This game is rigged, but not invisible. With tools like ETF inflow trackers and liquidation heat maps, we can see what is happening in near real time. All we have to do is pay attention. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.